Hello guys, very happy to meet you again. I hope you are gaining some knowledge from my videos. Let's continue the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. So guys, as we discussed displacement reaction in my previous video, we saw only one element has been displaced by another element from its compound, and that's why it is more of called single displacement reaction. However, this term is not usually used. We simply call them displacement reaction. So let's just go one step high today with double displacement reaction. So let's try to know what is double displacement reaction by its definition. So those reaction in which two different atoms or groups of atoms are exchanged. These reactions involve two ionic compounds. So they react by exchange of their ions and form new product after the reaction. Ion A exchanges with ion C and it forms another compound AC in the product side. Similarly, BD is formed. AB is one compound or salt solution, CD is another, and they have exchanged their ions. A has formed a compound with C now, and similarly B has formed with D, and two new salt solutions have been formed in the product side. Since there is exchange of two entities at the same time, it is called double displacement reaction. In this reaction, one of the products is either insoluble and it separates out as solid residue, which we called precipitate or gas form. There is a reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Sodium sulfate, you can see it is white and powderish. Similarly, barium chloride, it is again white in color and powder form. Both of them are soluble in water, so we'll form salt solution individually and then we will mix them and we will try to see what happens. Guys, we observe that a white solid precipitate is formed, which is barium sulfate. It is settling down at the bottom of the test tube. Above the residue you see a solution form and it consists of another compound which is NaCl or sodium chloride. That means these two are the products of the reaction. Let's see how the reaction goes. So you already observed that a white solid precipitate of barium sulfate is forming, and both the anion chloride and sulfate ions, they have exchanged their position. Barium chloride BaCl2 and Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. This barium, it is 2 positive and chloride is negative. That means barium is the cation, chloride is the anion. Similarly, sodium Na plus is the cation on this side and SO4 is the anion on this side. So they will exchange their position like I showed you before diagrammatically, and they will form this Ba barium. Cation will try to form a bond between sulfate, and similarly sodium will try to form a bond with chloride ion. So this barium sulfate will form and sodium chloride will form. Barium sulfate, which is forming in the product side, it is a white precipitate, so it is actually settling down at the bottom of the test tube, and this sodium chloride solution will also form. So this is nothing but a double displacement reaction since there is an exchange of two entities simultaneously. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked today's video lesson. If you find it useful, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to press bell icon to get timely notification. So do like it, share it with your friends, and last but not the least, stay positive because we have got Chem on Malik.